According to recent NeoPro study, there's an urgent need to upskill the workforce in industries like retail and BFSI. While nearly 96% of professionals agree that cyber threat intelligence is critical, only a few have hands-on experience and know how to work with the tools that makes the real difference. That's like knowing the battlefield exists, but having no armor or weapons to fight and defend. Now, let's zoom out to 2025. Cyber attacks aren't just more frequent, they are smarter, sneakier, and way more targeted. The systems we use are more complex. The data we generate is more valuable than gold. This means hackers are everywhere, lurking in the shadows, ready to exploit the weakest link. Thus, the stakes have never been this high. And that's why today's video is crucial. Whether you are an aspiring ethical hacker, a student, or someone defending massive enterprise systems, these top 10 cybersecurity tools will be your ultimate weapons. From sniffing out shady activities to simulating real world attacks, we are covering it all. So let's get started. Now let's begin with the most iconic name in the cybersecurity industry, Kali Linux. The go-to OS for ethical hackers and security pros. Kali isn't just an operating system, it's an entire cyber lab bundled into an environment. Built on Debian-based operating system, it comes loaded with over 600 pre-installed tools, including Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, John the Ripper, and many more. It supports live boot from USBs, comes with encrypted persistence, and is lightweight enough to run on low-resource systems as well, making it an ideal choice for scanning networks, testing web apps, or performing penetration testing, security research, or even reverse engineering. Kali has got you covered. It has something for every skill level from students, red teamers to bug bounty hunters. Basically, anyone who wants a hands-on cybersecurity playground. And it's regularly updated to include the latest and the greatest tools, making it the best starting point for any ethical hacking journey. Alright, since we have a good grasp of Kali Linux, now if you pair it with the Metasploit framework, it creates the lethal combo that can mimic almost any attack scenario, as this is the ultimate weapon for ethical hackers. Metasploit is a powerful exploitation framework trusted by penetration testers, red teamers worldwide that allows you to simulate attacks on systems before the bad guys do to identify vulnerabilities safely and legally. So, what are the red teamers? So, they are the ones who practice attacking systems or do it to practice their attacking skills, while the other team practices defending. You can use it to conduct reconnaissance, scan for open services, exploit known vulnerabilities, escalate privileges, and even create backdoors for post exploitation tasks. And the best part, it integrates seamlessly with Kali. So whether you are testing a local machine or launching attacks across virtual networks, Metasploit gives you total control. Now let's talk about network level investigation with real-time visibility. Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your network? I mean, to detect any shady activity you suspect on your network, Wireshark is the go-to tool for that. It's a powerful packet analyzer that lets you inspect every little piece of data flowing across your network at a microscopic level. So now you can filter by protocol, IP addresses, port, or even specific flags to zero in on suspicious behavior. Whether you're tracing DNS requests, monitoring TCP handshakes, or catching anomalies like ARP spoofing, analyzing protocols, or conducting forensic analysis in real time on your network, Wireshark gives you X-ray vision to see what's happening beneath the surface, like in packets and protocols. Also, it's not just useful for cybersecurity. Even network admins and performance engineers use it for the diagnostics. The ability to drill into protocol level detail makes it an essential tool for threat hunting, incident response, and forensic investigations. So, Wireshark shows you what's happening inside the network. Then comes Nmap, which shows you what's out there. Nmap is really crucial, as no security toolkit is complete without Nmap, also known as Network Mapper, which is used for network discovery and security auditing. It's a versatile network scanner used for host discovery, port scanning, OS detection, and even version detection. You can map entire subnets in seconds, detect open ports, and identify which services are running, all from a single command. Nmap is especially useful during the reconnaissance phase of an attack simulation. For example, you can scan for vulnerable devices in IoT networks, detect shadow IT infrastructure, or map cloud based services that might be misconfigured. Yes, it's fast, flexible, and works great with both large enterprises, networks, and home setups. Also, if you're planning for reconnaissance, then Nmap is the best tool to go with. Alright, now if you're into web security, Bob Suite is an absolute beast when it comes to analyzing and attacking the web apps. It's one of the most powerful tools used to test web applications for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross site scripting, CSRF, and many more. With the features like intercepting proxy, scanner, repeater, the Bob Suite helps you hunt down flaws that could compromise your users and backend systems. Basically, it's the go to for ethical hackers for testing the websites. Okay, moving up, we have understood that passwords are the first line of defense and really crucial, right? And John the Ripper is designed just to break them. This tool helps you evaluate password strength by attempting to crack it using the dictionary, brute force, custom rule based techniques, and hybrid attacks. John the Ripper was originally built for Unix systems, but now it even supports Windows, OpenVMS, and many others. So, if you're auditing password policies or doing red team assessments, John helps you in security audits to expose the weak credentials before someone else exploits them. Next, we have Nikto, which is an open source web scanner that checks over 6,400 potentially dangerous files, outdated softwares, misconfigurations, and other common vulnerabilities. Nikto is a lightweight, fast, and especially handy tool for initial reconnaissance when auditing websites. While it doesn't replace more advanced scanners, it's a first pass tool for quick audits and compliance checks. Now, if you're looking for a solid host based intrusion detection system, you should definitely give a try to OSIC, which stands for Open Source Host Based Intrusion Detection System Security. It monitors systems for malicious activity like unauthorized logins, file integrity breaches, rootkits, and configuration changes. And it works across Windows, Linux, and Mac, all from one place. It's a perfect for both individual use as well as for the enterprise level monitoring. Plus, it's open source and scalable. Next is Snort. It's all about real-time defense. Snort is a network intrusion detection and prevention system that sniffs out packets, analyzes real-time traffic to detect the suspicious intrusion patterns in the system. Snort is highly customizable and can log packets, detect port scans, and actively block threats altogether. It's often used in large networks to automate the first level defense or threat prevention. Lastly, we have Splunk. It's a powerful security information and event management platform used to analyze a massive amount of logs, detect anomalies, and act on threats. Splunk gives cybersecurity teams the visibility they need to investigate anomalies, track incidents, and ensure compliance. All of it from one dashboard by setting alerts and integrating it with the threat intel feeds. It's enterprise grade and super efficient. So, if you're handling large scale cybersecurity operations, Splunk is a must have. And there you have it all. The top 10 cybersecurity tools you should know in 2025. Whether you're scanning a website, analyzing traffic, or simulating attacks, these tools have your back. Thus, mastering these tools isn't just about career growth, it's about staying one step ahead in a game where one breach could cost everything. So, arm yourself, stay sharp, and keep that firewall strong. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Intellipath's YouTube channel and drop your favorite tool in the comments below. See you in the next one. Stay secure out there. Thank you.